Tajik DIY. Think, build, and share.
Good morning! This is part 5 of the BB-8 project, and in part 4 we have finished BB-8's main body and started going into the internal robotics mechanism. I have 3D printed a new model of ball casters since I had troubles with the last one in the previous part. I have mounted them on the bigger piece of wood with the help of some screws. Drilled some holes in order to mount the Arduino and hot glue or zip tied all electronics. At this point, I had seen that the piece of wood was too high and thus the wheel cannot have a good contact. I have a second piece of wood which is a little bit smaller, so I will need to move all electronics and the ball casters to the smaller piece of wood. Once this is done and that I seal the ball with some tape, I can see that I can finally get it going. Yes, after 2 weeks. Now that the sphere works decently, we can start thinking about the head. If you've ever wondered or you do not know yet, it works by using magnets, so the head is controlled from the inside of the robot. For this, I will mount a big ceramic magnet that I have found in an old speaker with the help of some scrap plywood over the Arduino board. I have zip tied the magnet because using hot glue with magnets will only decrease their magnetism, so this is a very bad idea, and zip ties will make a stronger connection. Just for extra security and smoothness, I have added 3 ball casters that I have 3D printed on the top mount. Note that I had to sand the piece of wood where the ball casters are screwed on because without this decline they would not be able to run smoothly. Unfortunately, when I run some tests, I can see that the robot does not move at all. This is partly due because the mechanism is way too heavy, and especially the big ceramic magnet which has weight on the top. I have to review the whole internal mechanism. I have also made a casing for the magnets out of foam, which allows me to mount the magnets to the straws without hot gluing the magnet directly, which would make it lose its magnetism. I have used some straws because it is quite strong while still being very light. I know it looks ugly, but it does the job just fine. I put all the weight as low as possible, so this means that I put the Arduino board and the battery pack under the robot so that there is a better center of gravity. And this also allows me to have space to attach my new magnet mount with the help of a small neodymium magnet. But once again, when I try it out, I can see that it does not work. After taking a deeper look, I have found that one of my biggest problems is that my motors are underpowered and too small for the task. I will have to get some bigger ones, which are quite pricey, and I will also have to drive them externally with the help of some transistors or some relays. I may get better contact between the wheel and the sphere if the robotic plate is smaller, thus there will be more flat area for the wheels to roll on. But all of this is going to take some time and money, so I will leave this video here. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching.